Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to review 6 products from the brand Cosrx, and if you want to know my reviews about all these 6 products, and in case you're interested in knowing whether these products are worth your money or not, then please continue watching this video. First, let's talk about the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. I've already finished up half of this product, so I think I'm in a good position to review this product for you. This mentions that this liquid helps to remove oil and deeply cleanses while moisturizing the skin to make the pores appear smaller. It moisturizes your skin, and this also removes the excess oil from your face. I do like this product and I do think that this is an amazing product. But if you ask me if this product helps in removing the blackheads, then I would say that it is not 100% effective in removing the blackheads, but it definitely helps in reducing the blackheads on your nose. And I have seen that it has not completely helped in removing all the blackheads that I have, but it has definitely helped in reducing the blackheads, and my pores look visibly smaller. And I do love this product more for its moisturizing properties uh, rather than it helping me in getting rid of the blackheads that I have. Overall, I do like this product, but if you're expecting it to reduce or vanish all your blackheads, then this product is not going to do that. I like applying this product in the morning and in the evening. When I apply this product, I do not apply this product around my eye area. I apply it on my T-zone, and it works very well in moisturizing my skin, in providing that smooth looking feel on my skin, and it definitely helps in minimizing the appearance of pores. And I do love this product not for the blackhead reducing property, but more as a moisturizing lotion. And whenever you're using this product during the daytime, you're supposed to apply a sunscreen, and that is a must. So I do like this product and I would recommend this product to all of you. The second product that I'm going to talk about is the Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, and this is one of the most best-selling products of the brand Cosrx, and I know exactly why this is the most best-selling product, because this product gives you that instant glow on your face. Whenever I apply this essence on my skin, I feel that my skin looks a lot more hydrated, nourished, and healthy, and I just love the glow that this essence gives to my skin. And it looks as though I've taken a lot of care about my skin whenever I'm using this essence, and I love this product, and I highly recommend this product to all of you. And it is a best-selling product for a reason, and you should give it a try. And you are definitely going to love this product, and you're especially going to love the glow that this essence imparts to your skin. It mentions that being 96% snail secretion filtrate mucin, this essence helps the skin to lose less moist while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. I do agree that it keeps your skin looking a lot more smooth and healthy, and it definitely moisturizes your skin, and your skin feels a lot more hydrated and nourished. And if you want that instant glow on your skin, then I think this is an ideal product to go for. I highly recommend this product. Now the next product is the Cosrx Oil Free Ultra Moisturizing Lotion, and this is one of my most loved lotions, and it does have a very mild smell and is more gel like, and it works very well for my combination 2 oily skin. Whenever I apply this lotion on my skin, it also imparts a natural glow to my skin, which I absolutely love. And this has worked for me even during the winter months when my skin has become slightly drier. But this has taken care of all the dryness and flakiness on my skin, and I absolutely love this product. And this is one of the best products that I have tried out from Cosrx, and it is on the pricey side, but it is worth giving a try. And you just require just tiny amount of this product for your entire face and neck area, and I love using this product, especially in conjunction with the mucin essence. And both of these work very well on my skin, and I love both of these products. It is formulated with 70.8% birch sap, and this lotion keeps your skin hydrated and calmed. I do agree that this lotion definitely keeps my skin look very hydrated, and it does calm down my skin, and I love this product, and I highly recommend this product. And it is one of the best moisturizing lotions for combination to oily skin, and it won't make your skin look oily or greasy, yet it imparts a very healthy glow on your skin, which I love, and I highly recommend this product. Now let's talk about the CosRx Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask, and it mentions that it is enriched with more than 68.9% of rice extract. This mask provides intensive nourishment with deep moisture and brightening. I do agree with each and every claim of this mask. We all know the benefits of rice extract for our skin, and this product contains the goodness of rice extract. I love using this mask. I like to apply this mask during the night time, and when I wake up in the morning, I do see a visible glow on my skin, and this works wonders in giving me a very hydrated, supple looking skin. And I just love how my skin looks with regular use of this mask, and it does give you brightening properties. It helps you achieve that more nourished and plump looking skin. If you're looking for a good nighttime sleeping mask, then I think this is a must try mask for you, and I love this product, and this is one of the best night sleeping masks that I've tried out, and I highly recommend this product. This mask is going to give you that suppleness, that bounciness, and that glow on your skin, and you're definitely going to love using this product, and this is one of my most favorite products from CosRx. Now the next two products that I'm going to talk about are face washes. First, let's talk about the CosRx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, and I had heard so many good things about this gel cleanser, and I must say that it is worth the hype. It is one of the best gel cleansers I have come across, and you just need a tiny amount of this gel cleanser, and it thoroughly cleanses your entire face, and your face looks a lot more brighter. That is one thing that I've noticed with this face wash, is that it instantly makes your face feel a lot more brighter, and that is something which I've not noticed with the other face washes, but with this one you're definitely going to see an instant glow on your skin, which I absolutely love. And this is one of the best face washes that I've tried out. It suited my combination to oily skin very well, and I'm in love with this face wash. I'm definitely going to repurchase this in future. The next product that I tried out was the CosRx Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. Now this is a cream based cleanser, and this one is a gel cleanser. I like the gel cleanser more as compared to the cream cleanser. It mentions that it is a gentle cleanser. I do agree, this is a gentle cleanser. I like this product, but I'm not a great fan of this product. It was a decent product for me. It is not something which I would highly recommend. It is going to cleanse your skin thoroughly. You're going to love the effects of this face cleanser, but I'm not a huge fan of this, and I'm not going to purchase this in future. I'm not highly impressed with this face cleanser. I would give it a pass in the future. But in case you're looking for a foaming cleanser with salicylic acid in it, then you can give it a try. I'm not going to recommend it to you, and I'm also not going to purchase this in future. It is formulated with botanical ingredients and 0.5% salicylic acid. This cleanser gently whisks away impurities and excess sebum. I do believe that this face cleanser removes all the excess sebum and impurities from your face, and this is not a bad product, but this is not one of those must-have products for me. I do like this product, but not that much. I prefer this Good Morning Gel Cleanser to the Salicylic Acid Gentle Cleanser, and it mentions that it is formulated with purifying botanical ingredients. This low pH formula works to soothe, refresh, and soften the skin without the stripping feeling. I do agree that this does not dry to my skin. It gives me a refreshing kind of feeling, and I absolutely love this face wash. It does everything that a face wash is supposed to do. It removes all the impurities from your face. It removes the dirt, dust, and grime, and this also helps in reducing the oil secretion on your face, and I love this product. I would highly recommend you to try out this product. So that was my review about all the 6 products from CosRx, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.